To deep clean your body, bathe or shower at least 3 to 4 times a week and wash your skin with gentle soap and warm water. Use a loofah, washcloth, or gentle exfoliating scrub to remove dead skin and deep-set dirt. When cleaning up, pay special attention to parts of your body where dirt and sweat tend to build up, such as your underarms, the areas behind your ears, and between your toes. To open up the pores on your face and release excess oils and dirt, steam your face with a hot towel before you shower. You might also find it helpful to use facial masks a few times a week to deeply clean and moisturize your skin. Don't forget to shampoo your hair too. Depending on your hair and scalp type, you may need to wash your hair anywhere from every day to 3 to 4 times a week. After you bathe or shower, thoroughly pat yourself dry with a clean, dry towel, since lingering moisture could be irritating your skin. To keep your skin healthy, always moisturize after you wash it. Remember to keep your body clean both inside and out. Drink plenty of water and eat healthy, minimally processed foods, which will also help keep your skin, hair, and nails looking their best.